preparation for the exam and just really get to know the material, because that's what's going to get you ahead. That's what's going to get you these certifications and really make them count when it comes to when the rubber hits the road. You need to know the theory behind this, and this lab really just shows, this particular video shows how to go through and set it up just to get it working. Some of the verification commands, such as the show, crypto, IPSec, security associations, the IPSec security associations, and verifying that the key is right. But there is a ton of documentation out there at Cisco's websites and other websites where you can learn about the theory behind IC Phase 1 and 2. You can also check out RFC 2408, that is for IPSec, the Internet Security Association Key Management Protocol, and that talks about how this is really an extremely scalable technology. IPSec is not bound to any specific any of the cryptographic algorithms or keygen techniques or security mechanisms, and as technology progresses, they can just essentially hot swap out any of those hashing or the encryption methods. You can just swap them out with better protocols. So get to know VPNs. They are great in cost savings in small companies or large corporations. You can send data across the internet and utilize that bandwidth without having to add a lot of extra costs for having your own private network set up. So VPN's thing of the future, and it's also part of the present. You can go to really any retail store that sells computers or electronic devices and get a fairly cheap wireless router that uses VPNs, and and get one set up in almost no time at all. So I would encourage you to check that out. Thank you for spending some time with me in this video, and I hope that you've been able to take something away from this.